Today we will see how to make the skin beautiful and radiant in a natural way. Many of our skin cells die, so the skin doesn't look as bright as before. Today we will show you how to make the skin beautiful and radiant and at home. So let's start. First, take 1 tablespoon toothpaste in a bowl. Toothpaste is often cited as a homemade treatment for your skin that can help counter acne. The consensus among dermatologists is that toothpaste is not an effective way to treat your skin, and can in fact damage your skin. The toothpaste can be an irritant that causes redness and peeling. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Salt helps to cleanse pores deeply, balance oil production and thwart bacteria that can instigate breakouts and acne. Add 1 tablespoon rose waters. Rose water has been used as a beauty product for thousands of years, so it's no surprise that it can improve your complexion and reduce skin redness. The antibacterial properties may help reduce acne. The anti-inflammatory properties can reduce skin redness and puffiness. Mix well. Now rub it on your blackheads for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it for 10 minutes. Then wash your skin. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.